Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a tree to your home in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to buy a tree from Bob. You can visit his store at the central square and then you can talk to him and click on special home decor store. And then you can buy a tree from here as the decoration for your home. And I've already bought this tree. And then I'm going to go back to my home and place the tree around my home. Okay, wait, let me go back, guys. Okay, I've already arrived at my home and then I'm going to go to the solo build and we'll be able to place the tree in our home using the solo build. Okay, and then click on this icon and I'm going to select the furniture. Wait, where is it? Let me search for it, guys. Oh, you can go to the other option to select the tree. Okay, and then you can place the tree to any place that you want, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, just oops, it's overlapping. Okay, right here and also here. You can place it on the ground. Oops. Oh, we need timber. And okay guys, that's how you can get a tree in your house in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.